Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine from Jamun. First, gather about 2 kilograms of ripe Jamun fruits, ensuring they are fresh and free from blemishes. Thoroughly wash the Jamun, then crush them to release their juices, carefully removing all seeds and stems. Next, prepare a sugar solution by dissolving 1.5 kilograms of sugar in 3 liters of warm water. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful fermentation process. Now, let's set up the fermentation. Pour the crushed Jamun mixture into a clean fermenter. Add the prepared sugar solution, 1 packet of wine yeast, and a small amount of yeast nutrient to kickstart the process. Also, include a pectin enzyme to clarify the wine later. Seal the fermenter tightly with an airlock, ensuring no air enters. Maintain a consistent temperature between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius for optimal yeast activity. After about 7 to 10 days, the primary fermentation will slow down. It's time to rack the wine. Carefully siphon the liquid into a clean carboy, leaving all the sediment behind. Repeat this racking process every 3 to 4 weeks until the wine appears clear and bright. Finally, age your Jamun wine in a cool, dark place for at least 3 to 6 months. This aging period allows the flavors to mature and mellow beautifully. Once your Jamun wine has aged to perfection, it's time for bottling. Ensure all your bottles are thoroughly sanitized to prevent spoilage. Carefully siphon the clear wine into the clean bottles, leaving a small headspace. Securely cork or cap each bottle to prevent any air from entering, which could spoil the wine. Store your bottled wine in a cool, dark place. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Jamun wine responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.